Hi, I'm Elliot Bridges, and as you know, our youth works hard to pack snack sacks for the children of Casey Elementary. This is one snack sack, and it cost us $5.34 to fill this one bag. We pack 50 of these a week for the children, and it costs us about $1,000 a month.
In these snack packs, we provide food for the kids over the weekend. Without us, they wouldn't have any food at all, so this is very important for us.
Many churches used to pack snack sacks. Now it's only down to 2.
This is all they get over the weekend, but without us, they wouldn't have anything.
We are in need of monetary donations. You can write a check or contact the church. Thank you.